Hello, welcome to C.LynnsArt Art of Cooking. I wanted to share with you Nature's Bakery gluten-free bar in blueberry. This is one of my favorite snacks that I can have for breakfast or any other time I want something a little bit more healthier. And those are some of the ingredients. Now let's open it. So they come 2 in a pack. And if you are old enough to remember when the Fig Newtons came out, they definitely have that kind of feel to them. But I did not like Fig Newtons growing up, and I think these are very much more tasty. And the fact that they're gluten-free. And they do come in a variety of flavors. So I would definitely recommend, if you are interested in trying a new gluten-free product that tastes good, and you like blueberries like I do, this is definitely a winner. So thank you for joining me at C.Lynn's Art of Cooking. You can follow me on IG at C.LynnsArt. And also read the food blog at www.clynnsaartofcooking.com. Happy eating!